Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Dominator D6 side steps from Go Rhino, which are great for the family and off-roading. While we are showcasing the D6s on this Gladiator, they're also available for the Jeep JL and JK models, as well as most full-size and mid-size trucks. The Dominator D6s are a part of Go Rhino's Dominator Extreme series, which is all about the modular approach plus vehicle-specific brackets. Once you have the specific brackets for your vehicle, you can use any of the Dominator style steps. The D6 side steps are a full-length 6-inch platform step. The wide, flat surface creates an easy access and stable step no matter the weather conditions. The surface of the step features Go Rhino's hex pattern, which offers an excellent grip. The full-length slider bottom, which is similar to the Dominator D1 steps, keeps vehicle clearance for off-road adventures. The D6 side steps also add rocker panel protection from trail obstacles and road debris. They also feature an optional 4-inch matching drop-down step, which can be added or removed for maximum family-friendly and off-road use. You can even purchase a matching Dominator D6 hitch step separately for an overall cohesive look. All of the Dominator Extreme side steps feature a super strong D-channel design to match to the vehicle-specific mounting brackets. This design and construction gives each of the boards or steps unmatched strength and a sturdy platform for that fit, function, and style you can count on every day. This is a pretty straightforward installation, plus there's no drilling required. So we rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about 1 to 2 hours just depending on your skill level. The Go Rhino Dominator D6 running boards are backed by a 5-year warranty. If you would like to purchase these steps or have them installed on your vehicle, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.